Good evening, students. From polymers, you will get two very short answer questions. So, weightage for the chapter is 4 marks. They will give only simple definitions. So, like this: what are polymers? Give example. Polymer is defined as very large molecule having high molecular mass. Example: polythene, very well known for us. What is polymerization? Give example. It is the process of formation of polymer from its monomers. Example: polymerization of ethene. Give polythene. So as we know, ethene is having two carbons and a double bond between these two carbons. So that is ethene. So we are taking n number of ethenes. So that will give you polythene. N number of ethenes will combine to give a polymer. That polymer is called polythene.